are the Dutch iris, which I'm really excited to see bloom. All right, let's go outside. So we're labeling them with little sticks so we know which one is which when they start to come up. We're starting with the daffodils. So these are surprisingly supposed to be 8 inches apart and then 6 to 8 inches deep. So we're gonna go all the way down. So right now I've got about that much soil in here. Pam has advised me on how to do this. So we're gonna go down. So once we're done putting them all inside, you're gonna take some more soil and put it on top so that it comes up to kind of the top lip of the, this is plastic so it's easy to lift, but kind of the top lip of your terracotta pot or whatever pot you're using. So there's about 2.5 inches on top where there's no soil, and then soil filling up the rest of it. But some of the other seeds that we plant are a lot more shallow in the dirt.